Good morning, student. This is the chapter 1, the imaginary lines. Okay, today we will talk about what are the imaginary lines. What are the imaginary and what are the imaginary? Imaginary means क्या होता है? कल्पना. Okay, काल्पनिक. काल्पनिक इन द सेंस क्या होता है कि जैसे आज लॉकडाउन हटने के बाद आप काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सोचते होंगे कि लॉकडाउन हटने के बाद हम यहाँ जाएंगे, ऐसा करेंगे, वैसा करेंगे. दैट यू थिंक, दैट यू इमेजिन इन योर माइंड. ओके, जस्ट लाइक इन द अर्थ देयर आर सो मैनी इमेजिनरी लाइन्स which are the only drawn on the globe. Okay, by these imaginary lines we divide our earth so many parts. So we will today learn about this imaginary line, how we draw it, how we valued it, how we calculate it, and what are the role of this imaginary line in our earth. Okay, so come, the first our imaginary line is the horizontally. Okay, horizontally means latitude. What we call the horizontally line, the latitude. Latitude means जो लेटी हुई है. Okay, the simple method of to learn the horizontally line, latitude जो लेटी हुई है. Okay, these are the horizontal line which goes through east to west, which drawn on the globe east to west. Okay, so east to west, and the total number of this line is the 181. So the main in our earth there is the one main line. Okay, one main latitude which is the in 0 degree. Okay, 0 degree. So this line is called the equator. Okay, so how many imaginary lines are there? No, how many horizontally imaginary lines are there? So horizontally imaginary line which we are also called it latitude, which drawn to east to west. Okay, and total number of these lines, this latitude is the 181. Now come to the vertical line. What is the vertical line? Vertical line also called the longitude. Longitude मतलब long. Okay, जो खड़ी हुई है, that is called the longitude, and it is drawn to the north to south. Okay, this is the drawn on the globe north to south, and total number of this longitude is the 360. Okay, now you clear about the longitude and latitude. So we will know, we will understand, and we will learn some fact about the latitude. Okay, latitude means जो लेटी हुई है. Okay, east to west, don't forget it. How many latitude are there? 181. So one fact is the latitude and longitude are measured by degree. Okay, so there is the degree. So latitude and longitude are the measured by the degree. The most important and the longest parallel of the latitude is the equator. So there is the 0 degree on the globe. Okay, 0 degree latitude, that is called the equator. What we called it? Equator. Yes, so equator divide our earth into two hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere and this is the southern hemisphere. Okay, now you saw here there is the 0 degree equator in northern hemisphere. When we go to the northern hemisphere, जब हम ऊपर जाते हैं, then we see, तब हम क्या देखते हैं? There is the 23 degree. We measure the all latitudes in the degree. Okay, so when we go to the upside, there is the 23.5 degree north. The what we call this latitude, the Tropic of Cancer. When we more go to the upside, 66.5 degree north, what we called it? The Arctic Circle. Okay, what we called it? Arctic Circle. This hemisphere is called the northern hemisphere. 23.5 degree northern hemisphere called the Tropic of Cancer, and 66.5 degree northern hemisphere we call the Arctic Circle. Now come to the southern hemisphere. सो व्हेन वी कम टू द साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, व्हेन वी कम टू द डाउन साइड, जब हम नीचे आते हैं तो हम क्या देखते हैं, 23.5 डिग्री साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर देयर इज़ द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न, एंड वी कम मोर डाउन साइड, जब हम और नीचे आते हैं 66.5 साउदर्न डिग्री, what we called it Antarctic circle. Okay, Antarctic circle, there is the Arctic circle and there is the Antarctic circle. Now clear? Now this is the some characteristics about our the latitude. Okay, what are the characteristics? First characteristics, they never meet each other. If we draw this latitude, like जब जितना हम इसे बढ़ाते जाएंगे तब ये बिल्कुल भी एक दूसरे से नहीं मिलती हैं. ओके, दे आर दी पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, ये एक दूसरे के ऊपर होती हैं, बट दे नेवर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टेड, नेवर क्रॉस ईच अदर. ओके, now second point is they become smaller as they move towards the pole. When they go to the poles, it means this is the northern pole, this is the southern pole. जैसे ही ये lines ऊपर जाती हैं, okay, when they go to upside, when they go to downside, they become smaller, ये छोटी होती जाती हैं. okay, ये छोटी होती हैं, they become smaller. And next point, the northern pole at 90 degree in the northern hemisphere and southern pole is the 90 degree in the southern hemisphere. So there is the 90 degree. Okay, there is the 90 degree. So 90 degree we call the northern hemisphere and 90 degree south we call the southern hemisphere. Okay, so this is for the today. Bye bye, take care.